Hello guys. Hello guys, it's me, Broken Kid Rio, and I'm gonna be teaching how to grind a lot of money in Animal Company. And yeah, I'm sorry, this is my first video, and sorry if it's low quality because my computer kind of sucks and my webcam kind of sucks. That's my fault. We'll see about Christmas, guys. So first, you want a bag? Like a brown bag, or at least a red bag minimum. In max, you could just go to whole like. Pick up any ruby or gold that you see, because this is where you can get money. And you wanna come over here. He's just standing on the crate. What the fuck, dude? Okay, now you're gonna come down here. Okay, now that I'm here, I'm gonna do the parkour, the power of editing. Okay, I'm here now. And again, make the exact same thing. Wait, it's me. Oh crap. Facility. Now what you want to do is come over here. Yeah, let me get my YouTube thumbnail. Not my thumbnail, but like my profile picture. Like that. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna come over here. Over here, then we're gonna collect these big nuggies. Collect as much as big gold nuggies as you can. Okay, then grab a suitcase after you're done grabbing all those things, and then you want to leave the game. Now you do not want to exit like usual from the map. You want to leave the game, rejoin it, and then I'll wait for it to now log in. Yes, it's logging in, guys. It's actually doing its thing. And then just spam the random code. Where is it? Spam a random code. I brought my suitcase. And why do I really have any gold in here? Like I actually did have. No, never mind. Then sell it, and then you'll see what you get, and don't get upset. Dang, I didn't even need a suitcase and it already did 1,000 for me. But this is the way I grind. I hope you guys like this videos and whatever. Bye. I'm sorry.